placing the battery on HP laptop, first you have to take out the screws over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here, and one under the rubber, and then you have to take it off. After you take the top off, you have to remove the screw from here, here, and here. And then you have to lightly take this out and then just remove it. After you remove it, you need to check what model the battery is and order the same one off of Amazon. $25. Then remove this part lightly and then place it onto the new battery. We just got the same battery for Amazon for $25, and then plug it right in here. After you plugged it in, you have to fit it to the area where the other battery was, and then get the screws and then screw it up. After placing the battery over here, you have to plug this into the battery and then plug this into the motherboard. And after doing that, you will have to plug the screws in from this area, and this area. Now after doing that, you have to grab the back side and then place it back on and then click it into place. Now it's time to put the screws inside. Now all the screws are done. Now it's time to put the computer on charging. Now let's leave it on charging for at least 2 hours. Then I will come back to turn it on. Now you can see that the charging light is on. Now I've just turned on the computer. Now it's working, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.